What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to change or even remove the background of the picture very simple and for free and super fast. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the remove background, or you can also simply visit it from the www.remove.bg, or it might be the BG stands for of the background. And here I am accessing it with my PC to get more spacious view, and don't worry because you don't need to do the login with your email, and this is 100% for free. So you can start to open this remove.bg like this, and after that this is the section or the home page, and it's kind of the demo or the simple demo and introduction to remove the image background. And after that you can start to upload the image in this section, and for example I will choose this one. And while waiting for this picture being uploaded, you'll see that the picture is now being removed, or the background itself also has been being removed. And if you would like to change the background, you can choose this background like this, and you can also change the background, let's say with the picture like this, or this one, or even your photo, and you can put it over here by clicking this section, let's say. And you can also change the color background, let's say it to become white, or this one. You can change the different or the spectrum color, or you can also change the color that has been provided, or the set color, like this one, or maybe this one, or this one. And you can also see this one. This is kind of the before and after the editing or changing or remove the background itself. And after that, for example, I will choose this one to become gray. And you can also continue to download it. And the result will be like this. So isn't that cool, right? So the look is kind of very detailed, just like in the previous video. So don't forget to try this remove.bg if you would like to remove the background. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.